Very. A very common word in English. When we speak English, we say many words using very. Very strong, very afraid, very different, etc. How to stop saying these words? Today's session content: 5 better English words to replace the word very. Let's start. The first one is very strong. Very strong. It's forceful. Forceful. A forceful man. A forceful storm. One more time. Forceful. The second one is very afraid. Very afraid. It's fearful. Fearful. When you are afraid, you can say, I am fearful. The parents are fearful about their children. The third one is very different. It's desperate. Desperate. The room looks desperate without the furniture. Have you heard about Stephen Devasi? He is a very creative musician. A very creative musician. Do you know which word we use instead of very creative? It's innovative. Innovative. So you can say he is an innovative musician. The fifth and the last one is very noisy. Very noisy. It's deafening. Deafening. One more time. Deafening. The pronunciation is deafening. Deafening. So let's quickly revise. Very strong. Forceful. Very afraid. Fearful. Very different. You can say desperate. Very creative. It's innovative. And very noisy. It's deafening. That's all for today. I hope these words will help you to speak English fluently and confidently. Thank you.